Hey my fam, what's going on with you guys? Man, I hope y'all doing well out there in the dashing world. Hey, it is Thursday morning. It's about 8:20. We getting ready to start our day off, but I just wanted to share a quick thing with you guys. You guys that are dashing after work, hey, maybe you got a W-2 job like me. You know, I'm a dasher after work myself, because I don't really do this full-time. I do this part-time, but I do most of my work doing dashing on the weekends. So, you know, I do a lot of, so that's why I make most of my money. But if you're the type one that is doing this type of work, yeah, what are some tips that I can share with you guys if you're doing you're dashing after work? Is to mainly, if you see you get ready to get off and you schedule your time, go ahead and set your time. Go ahead and set your time, start dashing, and then you know, when you get ready to get off from work or whatever, at least you'll be on the app itself, because right now it's just very hard to get on the app. So if you got a scheduled time, go ahead and, if you got a dash now, go ahead and click on, you know, you're getting ready to get off, go ahead and log on to the computer. You're already on there, and you get those orders, and you're waiting on those orders. So that's one of the tips I want to say. Just make sure that you know, because you may be close to a restaurant, and then once you turn on that app, most likely you're gonna get an order that's coming in from Doordash. So you already got your day going. So dashing after work, man, is just scheduling your time right. Make sure, I mean, if you guys are doing multi-apping, go ahead and turn on your apps. Who knows which one you may get? You may get whatever your preference is. I don't know what you guys are or got on your app or what you're working for, but go ahead and turn on all your apps. That way, when you get off from work or whatever, you see you get ready to get off, go ahead and then your apps will be on, and you'll be already ready to get those orders, accept those orders. My thing is, one thing I just set a time zone that you think about, because I know you W-2, you got to get up in the morning. You can't be out there all day. You got to set a time zone. So whenever I'm out here dashing during the week, my time is from 5 to 9. That way, I'm gonna make my money. I'm already got my apps on. I'm gonna make my money, and then between 5 and 9, I've been on made my money up. And then I can crash, shut it down, go home and rest, shower up, get ready for work for the next morning. You know, because you W-2s, you got to get up in the morning for your regular job. You can't be out there like everybody else who's doing this full time that can get up here and stay out there all night. That ain't you. So that's, you know, my tip there. Set your time zone. Set your time, the hours, the amount of hours you planning on working during your shift. Whether it's 2 hours, whether it's 3 hours, whether it's 5 hours, whatever your time you get off from work. Set your time. Hey, I'm gonna work this many hours tonight throughout the week. And then if you're off on the weekends, then you can kind of judge your days that you want to work, rest up a little bit, and then go out during lunchtime or go out during dinner time. So, you know, that way you already be in the system. You already got your mindset. Get your game plan going. That's basically what I'm saying. Get a game plan going for when you're working, when you're door dashing after work. Just get your game plan going so you can be able to focus on that right when I get off. You know, everybody's busy. You know, let your significant others, your spouses, hey, I'm gonna be working. This is my time zone. Let them know, be aware of those time zones that you're gonna be working. That way they won't be calling you, interfering and all that. So your mind's gotta stay focused on your money. You gotta stay focused on your money, because you don't have much time when you're doing those door dashing after work. So that's one of the things. So my thing is, just make sure you get a game plan going on, you know, as far as when you door dashing after work. That way, you know, turn your apps on, turn on all your apps, whatever apps you're working with. Get your times, already set a time when you're gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and gas up your car, everything. Get your gas in your car. Go ahead and do that first thing, so you ain't gotta be stopping, getting gas and all that. Go ahead and get your little snacks, your lunch, whatever you're gonna be eating throughout there while you're on the road. Get your lunch together, whatever. Get that already ready so you can be ready to roll once you hit them. Once you get off of work, you're gonna start getting those offers, and then you just go in there smashing and dashing. You know what I'm saying? That's where we do it. That's where we do it. So I think for you guys, when you're doing these DoorDashes after work, one more time for you guys before I go. One more time before I go. Turn on your apps before you get off from work. Whatever apps, multi-app, do that. Get your game plan, what times you're gonna work. I already have that set focus. Let your relatives know, your family, your wife, your husband, whatever, let them know, hey, I'm gonna be working this time. Get your lunch already together, what you're gonna be eating, whatever. If you like a health snack, so you can pull over, got your lunch going. Then you're gonna go ahead and gas up your car. Hey, my good people. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to get off that road a little bit to show you guys, explain a little bit more about this video that you're watching, dashing after work. Hey, I understand exactly what you all, ladies, men, gentlemen, all of you, understand what you're going through when you're trying to make your hustle and you got a W-2 job. Hey, I know. I'm your boy. I have a W-2 job myself. I don't work weekends, so I can work a little bit more longer on the weekends than I can the regular days. Usually my scheduled time is from 5 to 9, something like that. So you can best believe I'm going to be out there those times. So 6 tips I wanted to share with you guys that's going to help you be more productive if you're door dashing after work. That's the main thing that I wanted to cover with you guys, because I understand that we got a busy lives. We got things you gotta go home and cook for your significant other. You gotta go get the kids from school. You gotta go get this. You gotta make sure this and this. I understand, but you still want to be able to make your money. You want to be able to make some money at a productive time, that you're not out here trying to be stressed out and things like that. And you're trying to get your hustle, pay some bills or whatever, save whatever your goal is of the day. So 6 tips. Here's my 6 tips on what you can do to as you looked in the video as I was rambling, but I'm going to share a little bit and make it more clear and explainable to you in this video right here. So tip number 1 is schedule your time in advance. Scheduling your time in advance allows you to pick those time slots that you think you're going to be available for those times. So you want to make sure you're scheduling your time in advance, so nobody else can slide in there for you before you get it. So always schedule your time in advance if you got time. Pick your times, whether it's going to be 4 to 11, 3 to 12, 3, whatever. You know your situation, and you know the hours that you can work. So you can be more productive that way by scheduling your time in advance. That way, when you get ready to get your motivation, get things going, you already have your scheduled time. You already have your mindset on, hey, I gotta dash at this specific time. I gotta be ready. So, tip number 2 is turn on all your apps. If you're doing DoorDash, Grubhub, Instacart, whatever app you associate or you affiliate with, we want to make sure you're turning on all your apps before you get off work. Before you get off work, if you got like 10 minutes to be off from work, or you got 30 minutes to be off from work, go ahead and turn on all your apps. That way you already be in the system that you're available, and that way once you start, when you hit that time clock ready to get out of here, if you going to make some money right after work, you'll already be available, and then you'll start receiving those orders as you leaving out from your first job, and you get ready to go smash and dash. You know what I'm saying? So you have your apps already available and ready for you at your convenience. So you'll start getting those orders then. Tip number 3 is multi-apping, man. Multi-apping is the key. If you're relying on just doing DoorDash or Uber Eats, you're going to be spending a lot of time. A lot of times, you don't have a whole lot of time when you're door dashing after work. You don't have a whole lot of time. So if your only means is to do DoorDash, by all means, that's okay with you if you want to do that. But if you have multiple apps, turn on all your apps. That way you'll be constantly getting those orders in. You'll make your money. You'll reach your goals faster. Whatever it's $100, or whether it's $50 or $60 a day, whatever your goal may be, you set that goal, but have your multi-apps. Multi-apping is the key to this thing when you're trying to DoorDash after work. Basically, you know, you don't have a whole lot of time. You don't have a whole lot of time to be out there like normal full-time people does. They can kind of work around, but you're a part-timer and you're DoorDashing after work, so you don't have a whole lot of time. So you got to make sure you have those multi-apps on. Multi-apping is the key, guys. Tip number four, have a game plan, man. What is your game plan? Have a game plan. What is your goals? What is the amount of money you want to make? If you want to make $80, $100, I'm going to make whatever at this amount of time. I want to make this month. If I'm working from 5 to 9, my goal is to make $100 or $60. My goal is to make $100 a day in those time limits. But I got all my apps on, and I think I'll be able to reach my goal of $100, $80, whatever my goal may be in a short amount of time that I'm out there dashing. So tip number 4 is have a game plan, guys. Get your game plan going on. Make sure, tip number 5, man, 5. Make sure you gas up your car ahead of time. Don't wait till you get off work and you on E. You just getting off work. Now you got to go to the gas station, fill up. Then you got orders coming in and you at the gas station. No, go ahead and gas up your car. Make sure it's gassed up. And once you get off your W2, you hit that clock, you can start heading out and getting those orders for your DoorDash or Uber Eats or whatever, your multi-apping, whatever you're doing. So also, one of the good tips that I want to share with you guys, I notice you out there all the time. You out there 4 or 5 hours, and you don't have much time to go to a restaurant or McDonald's, wherever your favorite place you like to eat. You don't have time to go in and sit in there and wait and eat and wait on the order. So my thing is, tip number 6, guys, Tip number 6, you want to make sure, might want to prepare a lunch. Have a little goodie bag. Have some sandwiches. Have some chips. Have some soda, water, whatever you like to eat. Have it in a little lunch box. That way, when you get a little moment, you get a little 30 minutes time in that space time that you got to go, or your 15-minute time, you can just grab some crackers, grab some chips, grab some soda, go whatever your juice, whatever you like to have, or whatever you cooked the night before. You have a little time to eat your little lunch while you're out there trying to dash, doing your shift, because you just don't have a lot of time to stop for lunch. Because when you're out there, you basically boom, 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 and by the time it's 3 or 4 hours don't pass, and you haven't even ate nothing. So, but that's one of my 6 tips, guys, that help you be more productive when you out there door dashing at night. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Just let your boy know, let YouTube know that boom, 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 blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. You know how we do it over here in the Dash Master family. So that's why I say my 6 tips to door dashing after work. Hey guys, talk to you guys later. Hey, don't forget to like and share this video. Hit that notification bell when you want to get notified whenever I share new videos. New things coming for this channel, guys. Hey, you're going to start sending a lot of your boy. You're going to still send a lot of them. Y'all be good, baby. Peace.